Hello everyone, this is Estelle from ZOOMKIN. Today we are in XCMG factory and I'd like to introduce the high efficiency model of power excavator in 20 tons XE200GH. This excavator is designed for medium to large size programs with the outstanding, powerful and reliability. Is the ideal choice for automobile, mining and structure and so on.
The standard 1 cubic meter bucket features well-resistant steel and optimized of greater digging force and loading efficiency. Multiple optional attachments such as brokers and rippers enable flexible adaptation to various job requirements. Let me focus on the engine by a Cummins or XCMG self-development engine compliant with China Stage 3 or EU Stage 4 standards. The XE200GH generates up to 120 kilowatts with intelligent fuel management. Optimize the low-speed torque and integrated EGR or SCR technology ensure powerful performance while reducing fuel consumption and emissions by up to 10% compared to previous models. The economically designed cab offers a spatial operating environment with excellent visibility. Equipped with a suspension seat and a variable damping system, it significantly reducing operator fatigue. The intelligent LCD dashboard and multifunctional control handles ensure smooth operating, while superior steering and noise reduction provide a quiet and comfortable workspace.
Thank you for listening. I'm Estelle. Welcome to your experience.